Alright, this is a short video presentation continuing the last video, and this is optional. If you need to see another example, here it is. If you think you got it down, you didn't need to watch this. But I think some of you are going to need it. Alright, so let's begin. And step one, combine like terms. So, I'm going to draw my fence. On the left side, no like terms. On the right side, x minus 4x is negative 3x plus 2. There's a 1 in front here. And 1 minus 4 is negative 3. 3 times 1 minus x minus 6 plus x. Step 2, distribute. There is really a 1 here. You don't see it, but it's there. So when we distribute, we're going to distribute the 3, and we're going to distribute the negative 1. Negative 1 times 6, negative 1 times x. So we get 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3x, negative 1 times 6 minus 6, negative 1 times x minus 1x equals negative 3x plus 2. Then we combine our like terms. 3 and negative 6, this side of my fence, those are like terms, and negative 3x and negative 1x are like terms. So 3 and negative 6 added together is negative 3, and negative 3x and negative 1x is negative 4x equals negative 3x plus 2. Add or subtract, so the linear term, I keep using that expression, the negative 4x is my linear term. The negative 3x is my linear term. So I'm going to add or subtract. In this case, I'm going to add 4x to both sides. I'm adding. That's going to make this positive over here. I get negative 3. Those cancel. Negative 3 plus 4, positive 1x plus 2. I put the x's on the right. That means this guy has got to go to the other side. So I subtract. And I end up with 1x equals negative 5. Now the second to the last step says I need to divide by the coefficient, but 1x is the same as x. So I'm done. If you wanted to divide by the coefficient, you would say divided by 1, but that's so unnecessary. Any other number, you got to actually do the division. This, I don't. All right, so just and I'm done there. All right, lastly, I need to check, so I'm going to rewrite my equation. All right, now we're ready for the check, and I will accept your answer like this, but the preferable way is to write it like this. Negative 5. It's the set of numbers that works. This means the set of numbers that works to make this equation true. All right, I replace negative 5 for x. 3 times 1 minus x minus 6 plus x in parentheses 2 minus 4 times x. I'm just going to put x in a different color. Minus negative 5 is plus a positive. Minus or plus negative 5 here, And in parentheses, because I'm multiplying a negative, I have to have -5 there. All right, order of operations. Do the parentheses first. Minus 6 plus -5 is 1. Equals, and -5 plus 2 minus, since these two things are separated from this multiplication, I can do that right now. -3 plus a negative times a negative is positive, positive 20. All right, 18 minus 1, negative positive 17. -3 plus 20. 18 minus 1 is 17, equals 17. Checks. My answer is good, and I've got it solved. All right, hopefully this all made sense. We're going to spend a couple days on these, and then we will move forward. But this should be, solving multi-step equations should be a review. In Algebra 1, you solved equations that involve distribution. So hopefully this looks pretty easy to you. All right. Guys are the best. Have a great day, and I will see you later.